Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic that affects all of us: sweat. Have you ever wondered why we sweat and why it can sometimes have an unpleasant odor? Well, you're in the right place because we'll be exploring the science behind sweating and the reasons behind its sometimes not so pleasant smell. So let's get started. Before we dive into the smelly part, let's understand why our bodies sweat in the first place. Sweating is a natural and essential process that helps regulate our body temperature. It's like our built-in air conditioning system. Our bodies have millions of sweat glands, and they can be found almost all over the skin surface, with higher concentrations in areas like the forehead, armpits, palms, and feet. When we get hot, either due to physical activity, hot weather, or even emotional stress, our brain sends signals to these sweat glands to produce sweat. As sweat evaporates from our skin, it carries away excess heat, cooling us down and helping to maintain our body temperature around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 degrees Celsius. So, what exactly is in sweat that makes it so important for cooling us down? Well, sweat is primarily composed of water, but it also contains some essential minerals and chemicals like sodium, chloride, and potassium. These are important for maintaining the body's electrolyte balance. Sweating is a healthy and natural process, but sometimes it can lead to that distinctive, not so pleasant odor. So, let's dive into that smelly aspect. The smell associated with sweat is not actually due to the sweat itself, but rather the bacteria that thrive on our skin. As our sweat reaches the skin surface, it creates a damp environment, which is perfect for certain types of bacteria to flourish. These bacteria consume the compounds present in our sweat, such as proteins and fatty acids, and break them down into different byproducts. Some of these byproducts, especially the volatile organic compounds, VOCs, have a distinct odor that can range from mildly unpleasant to strong and offensive. Additionally, the apocrine sweat glands in our armpits and groin region produce a slightly different type of sweat, which contains more proteins and lipids. When bacteria break down these proteins and lipids, it can result in a stronger and more noticeable odor. Now that we know why sweat can sometimes smell, let's talk about how we can control it. The most common and effective way to combat sweat odor is by practicing good personal hygiene. Regularly showering with soap can help remove the bacteria and odor from your skin. Using antiperspirants or deodorants can also reduce sweating and mask the unpleasant smell. Remember, sweating is entirely natural and healthy, so there's no need to be embarrassed about it. It's just our body's way of keeping us cool and maintaining its equilibrium. And that's a wrap on why we sweat and why it can sometimes be smelly. We hope you found this information both informative and interesting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another intriguing topic. Stay fresh and stay curious. Goodbye.